This is from me to you. It's so clear. It's so clear I'm not going anywhere.
I'm looking for a different view to get my mind away from you every day. I can't break away, 'cause everywhere I turn I see memories of you and me every day. I can't break away. Now I realize I'm a dog without a bone, girl without your love. I feel so all alone. I never could be free, 'cause I'm a prisoner of your love. I thought if I went away far enough I get away, but I can't break away. 'Cause I think about evening walks, the way you smile when you talk, and I know I can't break away. Now I realize I'm a dog without a bone, girl without your love. I feel so all alone. I never could be free, 'cause I'm a prisoner of your love. I must have been out of my mind for wanting to be free of you. How could I run away from my shadow? You're everything to me, and everything to me is you. How could I run away from my shadow?